If you love cooking, having the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the best food processor for grating cheese, helping you save time, reduce mess, and enjoy perfectly shredded cheese every time. Number 1. Ninja Cheese Grating Food Processor. The Ninja Cheese Grating Food Processor delivers an impressive blend of power, versatility, and convenience, making it a standout choice for both everyday cooks and passionate food enthusiasts. Its 1000 peak watt motor is a powerhouse, effortlessly handling dense and stubborn ingredients like firm cheese, nuts, and root vegetables without a hiccup. What sets this model apart is its clever Auto IQ technology, which simplifies food prep by offering 4 intelligent preset programs for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough making. This one-touch functionality makes it easy for even novice cooks to achieve consistent, professional results without needing to manually adjust settings or guess timing. The 9-cup capacity is a perfect balance, spacious enough for preparing large batches for family dinners or meal prep sessions, yet compact enough not to dominate kitchen counter space. The stainless steel precision blades consistently deliver smooth, even results whether you're grating a block of Parmesan or slicing cucumbers for a salad. For those who love baking, the inclusion of a specialized dough blade is a thoughtful touch, making it simple to whip up pizza or pastry dough at home. Cleanup is equally convenient, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free, easing the post-cooking process. Its modern silver finish and compact design mean it complements most kitchen decor, while offering sturdy, durable construction built to last. Whether you're grating cheese for a casserole, mixing dough, or prepping vegetables, this food processor tackles every task with precision and speed. Overall, the Ninja Cheese Grating Food Processor combines impressive power, smart features, and practical design into one versatile, reliable appliance. Number 2. Cuisinart Cheese Grating Food Processor. The Cuisinart Cheese Grating Food Processor stands as a reliable, high-capacity option for those seeking a practical, no-frills food prep solution. Powered by a capable 720-watt motor, this machine easily manages an array of tasks, from grating cheese and slicing vegetables to pureeing soups and creating sauces. Its generous 14-cup work bowl is a welcome feature, especially for larger households or those who enjoy entertaining, eliminating the need for frequent emptying during big meal preps. The extra-large feed tube is another thoughtful addition, allowing users to process larger ingredients like whole potatoes or blocks of cheese without excessive pre-cutting. While it forgoes fancy digital displays or preset programs, the simple on and off/pulse buttons provide straightforward control, making it easy for anyone to operate. Included accessories such as a stainless steel slicing disc, medium shredding disc, and chopping/mixing blade extend its versatility, and a detachable disc stem adds to its user-friendly design. All accessories are dishwasher safe, streamlining cleanup after use. While the shredding and slicing blades aren't adjustable, they cover most everyday needs with ease. The processor's sturdy construction speaks to Cuisinart's reputation for durability, ensuring years of dependable performance. Although it leans more traditional in design, this model prioritizes function over flair, focusing on delivering reliable, consistent results. The included spatula, instruction manual, and recipe booklet offer added value, helping new users quickly get the most from their processor. For those who appreciate simple, solid appliances without unnecessary complications, the Cuisinart Cheese Grating Food Processor remains a trustworthy kitchen staple. Number 3. Cuisinart Pro Cheese Grating Food Processor. The Cuisinart Pro Cheese Grating Food Processor blends reliable power with thoughtful, practical features, making it a dependable choice for home cooks who value functionality and simplicity. Its 625-watt motor provides solid, consistent performance, capably handling tasks like grating cheese, chopping vegetables, slicing fruits, and pureeing ingredients for sauces or soups. The 11-cup work bowl strikes a nice balance between capacity and countertop footprint, providing enough space for family-sized portions without becoming cumbersome to store. One standout feature is the extra-large feed tube, which accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, minimizing the need for pre-cutting and speeding up meal prep. The processor's control options remain refreshingly simple with on, off, and pulse buttons, ensuring straightforward, reliable operation. The included accessories, a chopping/mixing blade, stainless steel shredding disc, medium slicing disc, and detachable disc stem, enhance its versatility, allowing users to tackle a wide variety of tasks. Cuisinart also includes both small and large pushers, a compact flat cover, a spatula, and an instruction/recipe book, providing excellent value for first-time and seasoned users alike. While additional accessories are sold separately, the base set covers most common food processing needs. Cleanup is hassle-free, with dishwasher-safe parts making the post-cooking process quicker and easier. The Cuisinart Pro's simple yet effective design emphasizes practicality, focusing on consistent results over flashy features. Number 4. KitchenAid Cheese Grating Food Processor. The KitchenAid Cheese Grating Food Processor combines ease of use, sleek design, and thoughtful features to create a practical, user-friendly appliance perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks. Its 7-cup work bowl offers a reasonable capacity for small to medium food prep jobs, making it an ideal choice for couples, small families, or those who prefer to prep in smaller batches. One of its standout design elements is the one-click, twist-free bowl assembly with a latched lid, streamlining the setup process and eliminating common frustrations associated with securing lids. The sealed, leak-resistant work bowl ensures mess-free operation, and all removable parts, including the bowl, lid, and accessories, are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. 3-speed options, high, low, and pulse, are controlled through easy-press paddles with illuminated LED controls, providing simple, responsive operation. This processor handles everything from chopping and pureeing to shredding and slicing with ease. Compact and modern, this model features convenient in-bowl accessory storage and a cord wrap, helping to keep kitchen counters tidy. Number 5. Magiccos Cheese Grating Food Processor. The Magiccos Cheese Grating Food Processor offers a host of convenient, modern features that make food prep quicker and easier, especially for those tackling large batches or tough ingredients. Powered by a capable motor paired with an enhanced drive shaft, this appliance confidently handles firm cheeses, hard vegetables, and even dense dough without hesitation. One of its most appealing attributes is the 7-speed control system, featuring stylish blue LED indicators that not only add a touch of modern design, but also make it simple to select the perfect speed for each task. The extra-wide feeding chute saves time and effort by accommodating medium-sized vegetables and cheese blocks without requiring excessive pre-cutting. Its generous 14-cup capacity makes it well-suited for larger families or anyone who enjoys cooking in bulk. Another clever feature is the integrated storage drawer built into the processor's housing, providing a dedicated space for blades and discs, reducing clutter and eliminating the hassle of searching for attachments. The XL Work Bowl, constructed from BPA-free materials, ensures both safety and ample processing space. The Magiccos Cheese Grating Food Processor balances modern features with powerful, reliable performance, making it a great option for home cooks who value both function and style. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.